welcome to Vietnam.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking, now here for me.
Hi guys, it's Rachel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm a nomad traveling Asia, currently now in Vietnam. And if you're not new here, welcome back. So as you guys saw, we basically journeyed from Thailand to Vietnam today. Checked into a hotel, booked our hotel for 5 days. By the end of the 5 days, we need to have secured an apartment for tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Whole load of viewings scheduled. I've been talking to realtors over the week whilst in Thailand and looking at the options that are available and just getting them viewings in because we've got 5 days to find an apartment. It's late, so just gonna go back to the hotel, crash out and sleep, and then 9 a.m. we go with the apartment viewing. I'll catch you guys there. All right, we're into the next day. We're going apartment hunting. Let's go see if we can secure something today. We've got 4 appointments at 9 a.m. Then in the afternoon, we've got another 2 to see with another realtor. So let's go.
I ain't got it. I've been scheming.
It's like low-key rainy season, so it's pretty rainy right now, but it's still cute.
Louis, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose.
Yeah, the place was cute, but it was a bit small. I'm not gonna lie. It was smaller than I anticipated.
When I'm with you, how can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top top right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was
So yeah, we're on apartment number 4. Apartment hunt is going okay. It's a bit tiring, but it's a great way to just see the city and see the areas and stuff like that. But it's just a lot of back and forth. And it's like trying to take into consideration what we want in the area near us. I know it usually takes some time, but I'm trying to move in ASAP because I just want to move into somewhere like I want to be able to have my stuff somewhere and not just be like living out of a suitcase or just like in an interim period for too long. I don't know if like ASAP is ambitious, but we'll see.
yeah, smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here, I'm saying. I can't lose when I'm with you.
Someone literally just checked out, so they're currently cleaning it right now with this apartment. Yeah. On to the next one.
Boy, nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do.
Alright, I think I'm done. I'm not gonna lie, a lot of the apartments didn't really match the pictures, I promise you. So don't judge me for the type of apartment you've been seeing today because it looked way better in the pictures. Like, so I'm a bit disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. I think there's like one potential one that if we do end up going for it, I'm gonna cut it out the vlog anyways. But anyways, just stopped off at this local coffee shop. Gonna call it a day and just kind of chill and pick up again tomorrow. See ya. 48 hours in Vietnam and we signed a lease. We got an apartment, y'all.
Our realtor just sent us this message, which is really cute. So sweet of him. Congratulations on choosing a great apartment. When you get back to the hotel, I'd like to give you a gift. He's basically talking about the hotel we're staying at. Alright, yeah, so that's the crib. It costs like 12 million dong a month, which is around $460. Yeah, $460 US, or I think £350 a month, which is insane to me. It also comes with a rooftop, like rooftop pool and rooftop like patio and stuff. I'll probably just insert the video. And what else? And then there's like reception 24/7, and there's like a lobby downstairs and like a co-working space, sofas where you can chill, which is cool. Oh, and it comes with free cleaning once a week. Like change your bed sheets, change your towels. Like, do you know how much cleaning is? To have a cleaner like every week is back home, like it's a lot of money anyways. So to have that just included unprovoked is just insane to me. Anyways, all checked in and settled in now. Gonna start the day. Yeah, groceries. Let's get some food in. This chopped up mango is 33,000 dong, which is just over $1. Got like cut up pineapples, also just over $1. All right, I'll pick this up and then head to the bakery. So everything in this bakery ranges from like 6,000 dong to like 30 dong, which is like all under $1. Like I think this was like 6,000 dongs. It's like less than 50 cents. Pate pastry thing, and even Dixon, he got this, what is it, bacon bread for like, can I try some?
Yeah, I how much, like 14,000.
Name or YouTuber?
Yeah,
Follow you.
me, bless him, he's so sweet. He's the guy that in the bakery they don't really speak well English, so he was helping us like translate and stuff to get our order, and he was just like, oh, you do YouTube, like let me follow you. There he is. No, Jamaica, the Caribbean. Jamaica, yeah. Bye. Bless him. Wait, stop, because I just discovered this thing that Dixon taught me. You can use Google Lens.
It's translate, right?
Okay, so you go to Google Translate on the internet.
Make sure it has the native language first, then what you want to translate it to. Then you click on the camera here where it says enter text. Now you fix it on the thing and you see it translate to English.
That's crazy work, actually. No, that's actually crazy work. So obviously this is all in Vietnamese, but on Google Lens, it literally just comes up in English. Gotta give it a second.
There it is.
Oh, did you see that change? That's crazy.
So they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow was ours. They say you don't really dance.
No, I'm geeking out. There's a whole section where you can choose your live fish to cook it and eat it. Like live seafood. Choose your seafood. And there's like literally a whole tank in the supermarket. Like, what the hell? Okay, back from grocery shopping, and last little bits that are just the cutest thing ever. Basically plums, and I just have never seen plums so small. And these, look how small the apples are, like they're teeny. This is so cutesy. Get out of here, man.
Watch me going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping off high, used to sleep at your crib. Should drive out right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long, probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still.
Okay, so we low-key had to go to the hospital. Don't worry, everyone's good. It's actually so chill. It's our like first hospital experience like abroad since being nomadic. I was kind of intrigued of how it was gonna go, but I think the thing that shocks me the most is the affordability. Essentially, the affordability and the speed. I don't know what the healthcare system looks like out here for locals. I'm actually not sure. I might do a bit of research. But to give you an idea, for an X-ray and an ultrasound, it costs $18. An MRI scan costs about $90 and $18 for an English translation of the report. So the waiting times, we went to hospital 1 and waited 20 minutes or so for the X-ray and another 5 minutes for the ultrasound. Very quick, very efficient. And then the MRI got sent to an MRI specialist place and waited honestly like 10-15 minutes and got our MRI. Do you know what I mean? So obviously I say this from a perspective of a Westerner and to the other Westerners out there, you know, because like I'm well aware that affordable for us isn't the same as affordable for the locals in Vietnam. So So yeah, that's that. If anybody was interested in what the healthcare system is like out here, as a Westerner living in Vietnam, that's a little snippet depending on what you need and stuff like that.
They'll make you laugh. You should call in to work. If that ain't too much to ask, I could pour you up a drink.
Just picking up some street food.
Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we
Soy kin. Soy kin.
The guy gave us some poultry food. I probably just remember the name.
Yeah, I forgot too.
I forgot the name.
Girl, you know we got things to do, so get your ass in the car.
Local food.
Yes.
Ah, thank you. All right, guys, I've literally just come to close out this vlog. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this kind of moving in, settling into Vietnam vlog. Stay tuned for the next one. Just more of like life in Vietnam and stuff. You know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. Definitely leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. It helps me grow as a small little YouTuber, so help your girl out. Have a good one. I'll see you next time. Bye.